Indian Army raised its first Apache attack helicopter squadron in the desert sector near Pakistan front. The Indian Army Apache helicopters would camouflage desert colors and first batch of choppers would arrive and join the fleet by May this year. Indian Air Force already operates fleet of 22 Apache helicopters which have been deployed on the eastern and western fronts. Russian aerospace and defense firm Rostec has announced the delivery of a new batch of T90M tanks to the Russian troops. According to Rostec, the newly supplied tanks feature a range of enhancements aimed at improving crew survivability and operational effectiveness in combat scenarios. Russia is set to deploy a naval version of Kamikaze drones that can be launched directly from the deck of ships and boats, offering a dual capability to strike both sea and ground targets. Spain has signed a deal with Rheinmetall to receive 94,200, 155mm rounds, which will be delivered between the end of 2024 and the end of 2025.